once. You can either face one side, like right there. Couple more breaths here. Left arm towards the front, and then thread the needle. Ato siyang i-arty sa atong right arm. So, left arm passing through sa right na ilok. Okay. So, spread the needle and lean your left shoulder on the mat. Okay. Keep your alignment, keep your knees intact and your hips. Okay? So yes. Spread the needle, left arm over the right, left shoulder lean towards the floor. Okay? All good? Now you can try to extend your right leg towards the back. Straighten it. Touching the ground, yes. Touch the ground, touch the ground. Yes. Just touch the ground. Move the right yes. Hindi mo siya straight. Yes. Straight your right leg.
Huwag mo papalo sa ako.
Ayan, napapasok na. So, gently, ang galing shoulder, hirap. Relax lang. Yan na sa loob lang. Yes, okay. Ayaw lang ito sa imong tuhod. Ang tuhod, pilit sa floor. Okay? If you'll give Lavina for lower back things, so ma-stretch ninyo ang inyong spine, Lavina dili sa almost. So, like that. Okay? And release. Or you can, wala na, stretch ninyo and extend. Try to extend then, this leg. Extend. Sige, straight. Let go. Okay, good. And slowly come back up. Balik. Down and down. Balik na. The table up.
Miss Jack,
Balik dito. Sakit direct. Shoulder. Ilang ka balance. Sige, now to the other side. So, yes. So, right arm forward. And thread the needle. Right arm crossing all under your left armpit. Okay? Now, switch side. I think ako kasunod sa phone. Sige, Rama. Sige, Rama. Magaling ka. Malalamutan. Malisa. Malalamutan ka. Kung malisa siya, wait space na nga yung mukha. Back. Back na. Yes. Deep space. Okay, great. Kaya naman. Yes. So, the other one is kanya na to extend. Yes, good. Kung dili man kanya. Okay, good. It's okay. So, this, ang tuhod, mapilit siya sa ground, yung kanila ilang. Try, twist na yung spine. So, lean, kani, and then, very straight. Then, straighten your left leg. Good. So, it's stretching your
Di ba bilang ka ko eh, kumulang pa man po.
Okay, all good. Now slowly come back up to your neutral spine. Neutral tail and so on.